Hey, I'm Alex.
And I'm Nikki.
And this is our 1986 Tioga Aero. All right, we bought this a few months ago now. We went to Wyoming to get this sucker.
Searched Facebook Marketplace for a year.
Yeah, and finally something popped up. I got in contact with this lady from Baggs, Wyoming.
And then we drove 10 hours.
We heard that Tuesday night, and by Wednesday morning we were on the road to get it. Complete faith in the post itself. It looked good online. It was a good deal, so we thought maybe it was time to make the jump, so to pull the trigger. But anyways, we just wanted to make a little video to kind of share with you what it is and what it looks like before we do any renovations to it. It's in really good condition, so I don't think there's too much we want to change with some of the original interior, but we definitely want to make some upgrades like new flooring and things like that. We'll show you as we go along, but we'll start on the outside here. So this is a 1986 Chevy G30 chassis with a Class C Motorhome built in. I think it's 23 feet long. It's got 6 tires, so it's got a dually on the back. So we'll just start here, I guess. So right now, we just already started camping it. We've had it for a little bit, but this is just a little bit of storage. We keep firewood in here with a hatchet right now. This was one of the selling points on this thing because it came with the original Onan generator. This sucker is perfect for the setup. I mean, it has a switch in the inside, which we'll show you in a little bit, but you can turn it on from the inside. Baby starts right up, and you can pretty much use everything there is to use in there, like the AC and the fridge and whatnot. So if you come around this side,
The mullet.
so we have this lovely mullet right now. Kind of looks like Joe Dirt. I don't know, we haven't thought of a name yet. You think Joe Dirt?
Oh, maybe Joe Dirt.
Joey? Or Dirte? I don't know.
Joe Dirte.
This is a little storage compartment. Actually, it's our biggest storage compartment on the back side.
Wow.
Yeah,
So much junk.
it's actually, yeah, right now we just have junk in there. Tools, you know. I guess we'll call this the garage. I don't know. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah. All right. Another just like cool feature, you know, that she took care of was the backup camera. It's pretty amazing. All right, come around this side. It's your 30 amp plug, pretty straightforward, plugs right into the pedestal. Got full power right now. This is your water hookup, your hot water heater, which we still haven't used, so I don't know exactly if that works yet. And then we have more storage right here, a little drain plug for your freshwater tank. I'm pretty sure it's a, what is it? I think it's either 30 or 50 gallons, so that'll be actually pretty cool to go off grid. Your propane right there, so we've been using that right now to power our fridge and whatnot. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's got a little bed up top. Let's take a peek in the inside.
Baby.
Say it again.
Let's take a peek inside, baby.
So if you look in here, this sucker is a time capsule. I mean, it was kept in really good condition. It has a few minor things here and there. You know, they've fixed some patches in the roof for leaks, but I mean, everything's in great condition. Even the interior is not bad.
Yeah,
But
and it's the original interior, which sadly I do think we're gonna change eventually because it's a little scratchy, but it's cool that it came like this.
yeah, and we love this felt right here. I mean, this brown. If we can keep it, we will. We honestly might just change the, I don't know, the texture of the cushions and maybe a different color.
Something softer.
So come over here. Right now, we have a bed that goes up here, and it comes with a naked cat. This is Yumi. This is her little spot. She kind of likes it up here, and I don't know what we're gonna do yet with the animals. They're gonna have to get a lot closer.
She likes it. She's like our van gremlin.
Yeah, and we have a big Great Pyrenees named Bear. So
We're taking his chair out so he can sit here.
yeah. Okay, so over here you have the cabin, and we have this chair that turns around pretty easily. Bam, another place to sit. That's why we're taking this out, because we think, you know, we already have one. We'll make this spot kind of like a desk or a little bear cave for our dog. And we have a little dinette right here, which we love. We know that we're gonna have to have some kind of table set up for dinner, and when Nikki works on her art, or if I do, you know, some music thing or something, we're gonna want this. But if we can make it where maybe something pivots right here and this folds down or something, we make a little sectional out of it during the day, that'd be ideal.
Something that expands our comfy spot.
Yeah, because it really is like the main area. We have our bedroom back here, but this is really where we're going to be hanging out. Okay, lots of storage right here.
Full to the brim of
just
junk.
full of junk right now. Some of it came with it, some of it's ours. That's definitely you. All right. And it does have like pull down shades, but we are also going to fix those because it's just a little outdated, you know. They work really well, so we'll probably keep the concept, but just update in colors and whatnot.
The thing we love the most is all this brown wood, so we're definitely not changing that.
Do you want to tell them about the
kitchen that I know nothing about? Yes. This is our fridge. It is a propane fridge, and it fits plenty of goodies.
Plenty of beer.
Okay. So that's nice. Propane, which is awesome. And then we get into here. We have some pantry space. We have this wonderful oven and stovetop, which we've already used a ton.
What do you want to do with like the backstop and stuff?
I don't really know. We're thinking maybe like a tile, maybe paint it. We don't really know. We want something kind of interesting here. But yeah, I'm not sure yet.
This is a cool spot because this is where you can turn on your generator, and it shows you kind of the condition it's in, good, normal, or low. It's nice because it just has that total hours used as well, and you can just crank it right up right there and stop it. It's really nice. And then of course here we have our little control board that kind of shows you holding tanks, they're empty, freshwater tank empty, turn your water pump on, and then battery and propane. So
perfect. Oh, she's going out.
Oh, get back in here. You gotta stay in here, baby. Go there.
Drama mama.
Okay.
Okay, so we have two closets. This is one of them. Actually, this is like the biggest mirror that we own in our whole life. We don't even have that big of a mirror in our house, sadly.
Oh, closet space right now.
Nice and organized as always. Here is the bed. It's super comfortable. It's done everything we need it to so far. All we need is that it's comfortable. So.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then we have a VIP cat lounge back here. It's really, really cool.
I think it's where we're gonna keep her. I don't know. There's nowhere else to go. So.
And then right here we have the bathroom. What we are going to do very first thing is take out this floor. Right now it's some carpet and it's really gross. So I think we're going to put in some vinyl, something that kind of darker that can hide some stuff, but that we can sweep every day. Because even just on this 3-day trip, it's like full of food and it's nasty.
Yeah,
so,
I mean,
especially with our animals.
Yeah, I mean, what else do we want to say? It's perfect. I mean, it really is a nice setup. It's exactly what we were looking for in terms of style and condition. And we've always liked the look of an older rig, so we couldn't be more happy with this guy. There's still a lot to be done, though, if we really do want to make this a full-time home. But I'd say we've got a pretty good foundation to work off of. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And like I said, we have a lot to do, so we're super excited about that. But for us, this is just surreal. It really is.
We've been together for 16 years, and this has been
the
dream the whole damn time.
It's gonna be our demise. No, but we're super excited, and you know, we've wanted to do this forever. So we're gonna be filming a lot more, and we're gonna bring you along for the process. So
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.